Good morning, everybody. Miss Angela's here to wish you a happy Tuesday and to do calendar. So let's get started. We know, friends, that we are in the month of May, and it is the fifth month, and the year is 2020. We're going to start with the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah. Miss Angela said it's Happy Tuesday. It is Tuesday today. Well, we know that because yesterday was Monday, the start of our school week. And so today is Tuesday. And it is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. All right, friends, we are going to not be fooled by the calendar, because we know we just said Happy Tuesday, right? So we're going to slide Tuesday right in where it belongs after Monday, and we sure know if we're counting 10, 11, becomes 12. And we said it was May 12th, so we got that one. Great, friends. Any special days? Well, not right now that I can think of. We have one important holiday we will recognize on Monday, May 25th, and that's Memorial Day. And it's a day that we gonna honor some really important people. But what I think might be fun to do is let's count how many days. Okay, so we know it's the 12th. We got this cute little star here. Get a good breath. Get ready, because it looks like we'll be counting for a little bit, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Way to go. What's exciting about that is we know how many days are in 1 week? 7. And we know 7 plus 7 is 14 and 13, so it's less than 2 weeks, but more than 1 week. All right, friends, we are going to go to the calendar, and we're going to put something fun up there. Miss do that good all thinking about baseball, because that's what's going on in our house, because my son loves baseball, and we spend most of our spring into summer doing baseball, but we're not right now. But anyway, it is fun just to be thinking of things that we love to do to help sometimes take our time away from things. But we are here. What Miss Angela does want to bring back up just for a quick review, because I was thinking I love this season so much, so much. I just wanted to go back and talk a little bit about spring and all those fun things, because our May is looking pretty rainy so far. But we love the rain, because the rain helps our gardens grow, and then we don't have to water as much outside, which, you know, Miss Angela loves her garden. So we just start with our dirt and our seeds, and I'm sure by now, if you've planted stuff, not only have you have seedlings, but it's possible you even have a whole lot more. We have some beautiful flowers. And we know when we're outside, if that's some fun puddles to jump in, we're going to have on our rain boots, possibly, or maybe not, and a raincoat if it's raining, or an umbrella. And I will tell you that I missed the photo opportunity, but there has been a couple beautiful rainbows in the sky, because we know when it's raining or has just rained and that lovely sun starts peeking out behind the clouds and gets sunny, that it creates a rainbow on the opposite side where the sun is. So just keep looking for those beautiful rainbows in the sky if we have those opportunities, because they're so lovely to have. And now, bum, 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 we are going to jump right into the weather. You guys, look at that. Miss Angela put little May. That's not the weather today, but we thought we'd throw the month in there. And we're going to look at this calendar. I should bring up April's calendar. April's days were full of sunny days. So far, we have 3 partly cloudy days, 1 cloudy day, and just 1 sunny day. And friends, I will tell you right now, Miss Angela was outside this morning, and I can see that we have another cloudy day. It is not raining right now, but it was definitely raining earlier. So I'm going to throw in a little bit of a rainy day because it's pretty wet outside, and it has been. So let's, we're going to get this. I used what I would normally use. Let's grab this blue. I think I used green on Partly Cloudy last month. So we're just going to throw this darker blue in here. I use my finger. It's a little neater for the rain. There we go. Look at that. Our calendar's kind of fun for our weather. It's kind of all over the place, but we've had mostly the most of partly cloudy days. You bet. Let's count. We have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, and 3 of those have been partly cloudy. So out of that, we have half of our days have been partly cloudy, and then we've had 3 other kind of random days. Well, that is always fun. Miss Angela loves the weather because I love being outside. So I just need to know, am I going to wear a rain jacket and rain shoes, or I'm going to wear sandals, because no matter what, I go outside. And sometimes I love working in the garden in the light rain. So friends, please have a beautiful Tuesday, and I will be back here tomorrow to wish you all a good morning.